it doesn't matter where you are, what are you doing, with whom you are walking. You can practice every stage. So currently I am walking with my niblings. Look, this is my niece and behind this is my nephew. So it doesn't matter where with whom you are, you can practice every stage. So I am walking, I am passing my time with them, and I am enjoying time and I am practicing English. So when I walk with them, I try to speak with them and I also can learn English. So I think it doesn't matter for practicing English. Sometimes we say that I don't have time, but every stage you can involve your language English. Every stage you can talk in English. So where you are, practice English, keep talking, you can improve your speaking. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.